Welcome to HSS Security Solutions, serving Franklin, Tennessee. Since 1997, we've been trusted to provide professional security camera installation for businesses, schools, healthcare, government facilities, and families across Middle Tennessee. We install high-quality CCTV and IP camera systems with secure wiring, professional mounting, and reliable recording. Our systems include remote viewing so you can see what matters most from anywhere, anytime. From small offices and retail shops to large commercial campuses and residential communities, HSS Security Solutions designs and installs surveillance systems that are scalable, compliant, and built to last. We integrate cameras with fire alarms, access control, and 24/7 alarm monitoring to deliver a complete security package that keeps your property protected. If you're in Franklin or Williamson County, call HSS Security Solutions today at 6115-404-1400 or visit hsecurity.net. Trusted since 1997 to provide professional security camera installation in Middle Tennessee.